Students, welcome to the subject Computer Fundamental. Today we shall deal with two topics. One is EBCDIC code, another is ASCII code. Students, you very well know we are in chapter number 4, which is titled as Computer Codes. In the previous class, we have studied BCD code, which stands for Binary Coded Decimal Code. Today we shall take up next topic, that is EBCDIC code. Point number 1. The major problem with BCD code is that as it is 6-bit code, it can represent maximum 64 symbols or characters and not sufficient to represent all characters available. So students, as it is 6-bit code, so there can be possibly 64 combinations. How to get 64? 2 to the power 6. That is, if 2 is multiplied by itself 6 times, you get 64. Point number 2. Hence, BCD code was extended from a 6-bit code to an 8-bit code. Additional bits were added as zone bits, making total zone bits as 4 bits. Students, you know BCD code is a 6-bit code. Out of these 6 bits, 2 bits are for zone and 4 bits are for representing any character. So hence, by adding another 2 bits which were added to zone bit, total zone bits becomes 4 and symbol representation becomes 4. Point number 3. The resulting 8-bit code was called as Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. So note the title, it is Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. Hence every alphabet is picked up from word and called it as EBCDIC. Point number 4. As EBCDIC is 8-bit code, it is possible to represent 256 characters because 2 to the power 8 is equal to 256. Point number 5. It accommodates all printable and non-printable control characters. So all possible characters, which are readable and which are not, which controls the machine, such characters can also be represented. Point number 6. EBCDIC is an 8-bit code. It is possible to make 4 bits, two groups of 4 bits. So hence 8-bit codes are divided into 4 bits and 4 bits. That is 2 group of 4 bits. Each group of 4 bits can be represented by 1 hexadecimal digit. Students, you know hexadecimal digits has got 16 characters. So to represent 16 characters, you require 4 bits. Hence, with 4 bits, you can represent 1 hexadecimal character. Point number 7. Hence, computer professionals use hexadecimal number for internal representation of EBCDIC code in computers. It is very easy to remember and understand hexadecimal code than the binary representation of 8 bits. Hence, they make use of hexadecimal numbers. So this is EBCDIC code, as you can see here. Character A can be represented as 11000001. So 4 bits for digits and 4 bits for zone. So if you can represent it by hexadecimal number, digit is titled as 11, making it as equal to C. C means that is nothing but 12 and zone bit is 1. So hex number is C1. Similarly, character B. B is represented as 1100 in the digit bit and in the zone bit 0010. So this digit combination 11 again makes it to 12, which is represented as C because 10 is A, 11 is B and 12 is C. Similarly, in the zone bit 0010 is equivalent to 2. Hence, character B in EBCDIC code is represented as C2. Similarly, other characters, you can just go through this chart. Okay. Now you can go through the numbers. You can just see how numbers are represented. Okay, so characters as far as numbers is concerned, from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in EBCDIC code, in the digit and in the zone bits, it is represented as, you can just see how it is represented. Okay. You can write down this in your notebook. Now we'll go to next topic, that is ASCII code. So this is one of the more popular codes. Point number 1. Another widely used code is ASCII code. Point number 2. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Students, the name itself is very clear. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So one alphabet from every word is taken. Okay, and it is titled as ASCII. Okay, it is very popular in America. Point number 3. Several American computer manufacturers have adopted ASCII as their computer internal code. Since it originated in America, so most of the American manufacturers have adopted this ASCII code. Point number 4. It is most suitable for data communications and also used to represent data internally in case of microcomputers. Students, as the name itself suggests, it is more suitable for information interchange, that is communication. Hence, it is widely used in data communication. Also, it is used to represent data internally in small computers, which are called as microcomputers. Point number 5. American National Standard Institute has published ASCII standard in 1963. Students, there should be some standard institute which will give standardization. So in America, there is one institute called as ANSI, which stands for American National Standard Institute, which standardizes much of the technical details. So they have published ASCII standard in year 1963. Point number 6. ASCII is one of the most popular and widely used code. ASCII code is of two types. One ASCII 7, another is ASCII 8. Point number 8. So ASCII 7 is a 7-bit code and can represent 128 different characters. Point number 9. ASCII 8 is an 8-bit code and can represent 256 different characters. So students, we have studied two types of different codes. One is EBCDIC code, extended binary coded decimal interchange code, and second is ASCII code, that is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, please write this in your notebook. Okay, more about them, we will take up in the next session. If you got anything, you can give me a call. Please remember, this is important from your examination point of view also. Thank you.